Hi, this is Renee, and we're at Eastern Shore Dental Care in Chester, Maryland, and we're here to learn about a very special event that they have coming up, and it is called Smiles from the Heart. Come on in, let's go learn about it. We're here with Carrie Weber, who is the marketing director, and it's so nice to see you today.
Nice to see you. Thanks for coming down again.
Oh, thanks for having us. And I understand you have a wonderful free day coming up. Tell us all about
This is our big day, our Smiles from the Heart event. It's our third annual. It's April 16th here at our office in Chester, right in the middle of Kent Island. And we will be doing a free day of dentistry for patients who don't have dental coverage through their job or just personal, they haven't purchased their own plan, they can't afford care. Everything that we do that day, every treatment is going to be free of charge.
That is awesome.
Yes.
That's unbelievable because
Yes.
it's huge. That's pretty expensive.
Yes, and a lot of people, they don't go to the dentist because they're afraid if
Yeah.
they're having a pain, they're afraid that it's something that's going to be really expensive. And it's not every time, but that's one of the things that keeps them from coming.
That's
So we want to get people in, get them looked at, get any problems taken care of, because oral health is essential to overall health.
That's true.
If your teeth are hurting, you're not going to eat as well. You can't speak. It's going to affect your sleep, and that affects everything that you do.
Yes.
So we wanted people to have no reason to be afraid to come on down, and the doctors will look at you. We're going to take x-rays of every patient. If you just need a hygiene cleaning, we'll do that. If you need a tooth extracted, we'll do that. If you need a filling, we'll do fillings that day. So
Wow, that is wonderful.
Yes.
So if if a patient has had trouble or person has had
Yes.
trouble with a tooth and they just haven't been able to go, afraid to go, this is a perfect time to come.
yes, it is. And I hear it all the time as we start talking about this event and telling people, they call and say, well, I've had this pain for 6 months. And usually if your tooth is already hurting, it's really bad. And come on in, because not all cavities hurt. So once it does start to hurt, it could be an infection, and which could actually be treated very easily with medication. But we need you to come on in, and we'll look at it so we can make it stop hurting as quickly as possible. We have extra doctors coming in, so
Okay.
it's not just going to be our team of doctors and hygienists, but we have some that come from other practices to help us, so that we have no downtime. We
That's
can just
nice.
switch them in and out of shifts and treat as many people as we possibly can.
That's wonderful. And I'd like to hear from you too on the patient. You have like a plan to
Yes.
help if they don't have dental insurance, or they may have it, but it's
Sure.
you're not under the network. Someone can purchase a plan.
They can. So, I mean, we want to make it so everyone feels like they can come to the dentist. So, we do offer in our office the dental savings plan.
Okay.
And, for $295 a year, you purchase this plan. It's like buying your own dental insurance
Okay.
for the year. That price, you'll get your 2 hygiene cleanings, your doctor's exam, all your x-rays for that year. So really, if you were paying that out of pocket, it would be much more money.
That's
Same thing if it's being taken out of a paycheck, and you might still have high copays or have to only see an in-network doctor who's 40 miles away over the bridge, and that's a hassle, so that might be why you're not going. But if you purchase this plan here in our office, we honor it. You'll get all your things you need for preventative care twice a year. And if you need extra stuff like fillings or an extraction, you're going to get 20% off those services being under our plan.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, so it's a great deal.
Well, Dr. Billings, it's good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah,
Thank you for coming.
thank you for having us. Can you tell me what made you start Smile from the Hearts? What made you decide to do that?
We saw it, heard about it at another office, not in this area, and it just struck a chord with me. I thought that is such a great thing to do, to give back and to use our abilities, our profession to help people. So it just makes you feel great, to give back.
Yes, and I heard that you served a lot of citizens last year.
We saw 140 patients in
Unbelievable.
one day.
Isn't that something?
We had 7 doctors and 5 hygienists and just performed dentistry all day. And
Yeah.
it was wonderful.
Well, we think it's awesome too that your partners in the dentistry will come and join you to help you on that day, and I think that's great. It says a lot about you.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yes,
And
it does.
it says a lot about them.
Yes.
My brother, my nephew, and other friends of mine have come and help us with the Smiles from the Heart Day, and it's just been very, very, very rewarding for us. I feel like I get it more out of it than the patients, because it just makes me feel so good. It really does. It's just,
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I understand that you made a name in the change, but you're not going anywhere. Can you tell us about that? 'Cause
Yeah.
the public thinks you're leaving us.
We changed the name from our practice from Billings and Murphy DDS to Eastern Shore Dental Care, and yeah, some of my patients have been saying, "Are you retiring? Are you retiring?" You know, and I'm getting up there a little bit, but not retiring. No plans.
Okay.
Part of it is we have been receiving so many new patients, and we feel that the name relates to the area. Eastern Shore, we've got a nice community here, and we are Eastern Shore Dental Care. I love what I do so much. I don't want to retire. I love it. I do.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Who are your other partners that's with you now? You've
Well,
got
I have
two more.
Yes, two new associate
Two new
doctors.
okay.
Dr. Lynn and Dr. Francis have joined us, and they've been so well received by the community, our patients. And it's funny because I thought, well, I'm going to show them some things and teach them. They're teaching me things too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they really are.
That's
so,
good.
We're thrilled to have both of those here. And of course, Dr. Murphy has been my partner for over 20 years. We are a team. Then, so it's been a long-lasting relationship.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
That's great. Well, we're really excited about the event, and I'm sure you'll have well over 140 this year.
I'm excited, looking forward to it.
Yes, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Carrie, can you tell the public how we can get a hold of Eastern Shore Dental Care?
Yes, we are at 22 Kent Town Market in Chester. We also say we're next to Big Lots and the Chick-fil-A, so most people in the area know where that is. We've been here for forever, but we did get a facelift last year. They can call the office at 410-643-5500 to get information, and of course visit our website, which is www.easternshoredentalcare.com. All the information is on our Smiles from the Heart page, and we also are on Facebook, and we post a lot on there with updates, especially that day. We're going to let people know, how busy we are, and they can always ask us questions, and we'll respond. So,
Oh, good.
yeah.
Great.
Lots of ways to get in touch with us.
Yes, that's so true.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Carrie. It's been a pleasure.
My pleasure, too. Thank you for
All right.
coming down.
Okay, have a wonderful day. And this is Renee with QAC TV. Have a great day.